You're running late. You walk out to your car, and one of your tires is completely flat. Your first thought? Great. There goes $50 at the tire shop. But what if I told you that you could fix that tire yourself, right in your driveway, in about 10 minutes for less than the cost of a fast food meal? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to plug a flat tire at home. No special training needed, no fancy equipment, just a few simple tools and this video. Let's get into it. Before we start, let's make sure you have everything you need. Here's your shopping list. Number 1. A small spray bottle filled with soapy water. Just mix dish soap and water. Simple. Number 2. A tire repair kit. You can grab one of these at any auto parts store, and even some grocery stores have them. They usually cost between $5 and $15, and they come with everything you need inside. Number 3. A pair of pliers. Any basic pliers from your garage will work just fine. Number 4. A pocket knife or a pair of scissors to trim the plug at the end. Number 5. A tire inflator. This could be a portable air compressor or a simple hand pump. Got everything? Great. Let's fix this tire. Step 1. Get everything ready. Step 2. Find where the tire was punctured. Look at the tire tread carefully. Most of the time, you'll see a nail, screw, or piece of metal sticking out. If you can see it, great. If not, that's what the soapy water is for. Step 3. Use the soapy water to confirm the leak. Spray soapy water all around the tire tread and sidewalls. Watch closely. Where you see bubbles forming, that's where the air is escaping. Step 4. Remove the object with your pliers. Grab it firmly and pull it straight out. Once it's out, the air will start escaping faster, so move quickly to the next step. Step 5. Use the reaming tool from your kit. It looks like a big needle with a rough surface. Push it in and out of the hole several times. This cleans up the hole and roughens the inside so the plug will stick properly. Real quick, if this video is helping you out, hit that like button right now and subscribe so you never miss a tip like this. Drop a comment below and tell me, have you ever had a flat tire at the worst possible moment? Step 6. Prepare the plug. Take the second tool from your kit, the plug insertion tool. Thread one of the rubber plugs through the eye of the tool. Then coat it with the adhesive that came in the kit. Step 7. Remove the reaming tool. Pull it out completely and move fast. You want to insert the plug before too much air escapes. Step 8. Insert the plug tool deeply into the hole. Push it in firmly until about half an inch of the plug is still sticking out. Then, in one smooth motion, pull the tool out. The plug stays behind inside the tire. Check that the plug is sitting flush and hasn't pulled out with the tool. Step 9. Trim the excess plug. Use your pocket knife or scissors to cut off the rubber that's sticking out. Cut it as close to the tire surface as you can. Clean and flat. Step 10. Confirm the repair with soapy water. Spray the soapy water directly on the plug. No bubbles? You nailed it. The plug is sealing the hole and holding air. If you still see bubbles, the plug may need to be pushed in deeper or repositioned. Step 11. Inflate the tire. Use your tire inflator to bring the tire back up to the correct pressure. You'll find the recommended PSI on a sticker inside your driver's side door or in your owner's manual. Now, a few things I want you to know before you drive off. Tire plugs work great for punctures in the tread, the flat part of the tire that touches the road. But if the damage is on the sidewall, the side of the tire, a plug will not hold. That kind of damage usually means the tire needs to be replaced. Also, some larger punctures may need a patch instead of a plug. If the hole is bigger than a 1/4 inch, take it to a shop and have a professional patch it from the inside. And one last thing, after you finish the repair, take your car for a short drive around the block and come right back. Check the tire again to make sure that plug is still holding strong before you hit the highway. And that's it. You just learned how to fix a flat tire at home like a pro. No shop, no big bill, no waiting around. This is your honest mechanic, and I'll see you in the next one.